guys, and welcome to the M Spot. I am Mia, brand spanking new to YouTube, so don't be too harsh on me. Break me in slowly. I'm just kidding. I am going to be sharing my journey with you guys. This spring I will be doing vertical growing of all my fresh veggies, because I don't know about you, but I've been to the supermarket, especially the organic ones, and I think they've lost touch with reality. Veggies are so costly. So I challenged myself and I'm like, I'm gonna grow my own. So this spring into the fall, you're gonna see me build my own garden, harvest my own crop, cook it for you so you can see the deliciousness that is all Mia. Again, guys, I'm joking. Anyway, so the first video I decided to show some of the staples that are in my house, things that I use all the time, because again, I like it fresh. Fresh veggies are just important to me, especially when I'm cooking for the offspring, Nikki and Alec and Puppy and Kitty. So again, I will always opt for fresh. So I'm gonna jump right into it and show you guys some of the things that I've gotten, and we'll take it from there. We have the lemon, Spanish onion, lime, the beet, squash, staple, which is the Scotch bonnet pepper, a couple shallots, mushrooms, which anyone who knows me know that I love mushrooms, string peas, cilantro, wait, that's the parsley, cilantro, dill, and a whole bunch of mint, because I think you should just always have mint in the house. It's very fragrant and it just adds a special touch to anything that it touches, and so you always see that in my kitchen. So tonight I will be making something special that incorporates all these little deliciousness that I'm looking at, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So if you like what you're looking at, if you like what you've heard, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when I've posted other things. I'm on Instagram, so I'm going to post my Instagram page down below, so while you're there looking at it, just hit the subscribe button. All right guys, stay tuned. Thank you.